This world is cute, but it's misleading. It's I alone who can keep you safe in this weird pen thing. I am your ranger guy. I who shield you, protect you, keep you. I who bring you more friends without rest. How can I protect you from the dark times unless you stay in there? Safe in here. Remember what I told you, Slimey. You are too cute, and you are my way. And these are things for which the dark times have no mercy. You do not understand. Out there, dark times will try to corrupt you. Out there they will ram and try to merge. Why would you let them turn you into abomination? Stay in there. Be friendly, Slimy. Be grateful, Slimy. Do what I say. Be safe and stay in there. Thank you all so much for watching my little video. It's actually a kind of a tribute to Markiplier. I was watching him play Slime Rancher, and when he was talking about them breaking out, I was just like, that reminds me of that movie. That one movie. Yeah, so that one. Anyway, so thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like. It really helps. Seems small, big help. Also, if you got some free time and you want something to watch, how about you go check out my main channel? You know, if you got the time, lots of content. Some say boatloads. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. It's like a first travel. See you in your next video. Bye-bye.